Hey, how you guys doing? How to set up a product on Shopify for book publishing. Let me do a quick video, train you. Okay, let's get started. So to do Shopify selling, you have to do it in conjunction with an app. There's two different apps. One's called Book Vault, the one I'm using, which I highly recommend. But there's also another app that's well known called Lulu. Okay, I'm going to use Shopify and Book Vault. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, click on products to add a product, put in the title, and if you have the product on Amazon, you can just copy and paste. So I'm just going to get the product for this particular product is about New York City. HowExpert Guide in New York City. Go check it out on all platforms out there. It's written by an actual New York resident, okay? Ernest A.S. So go check it out, okay? As HowExpert publishes all topics from A to Z by everyday experts, and now also doing it with AI as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into product description here real quick. 1 second. I'm going to show you real live behind the scenes example right here. The 201 page book. Hold on 1 second. Copy it. Go back to Shopify. Paste it. Okay. Now hold on 1 second. I like to just hold on 1 second. I like to just put in my slogan here. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more. Okay. Perfect. Now in the media section that you upload the cover, the design. So I'm going to do that right now. 1 second. Okay, great. It's uploading. This particular version is a paperback book. Okay. So I'm going to just do print books. And they have a category for that actually. Shopify. So I'm going to click on print books because that's what I'm starting with. Print books, and then eventually I'll do an ebook version using variants. Okay. Pricing, let's just do $19.99 for my books. Okay. And let me see, variant. Oh, there's a section called variants. I like to, even though I'm selling only one format of the book, I like to start off with a variant because down the line in the future, I want to create an ebook version of the book. And what variants does is it allows you to sell different formats of the book on one page. Instead of having multiple pages, this gets a lot more complicated, especially if you have a lot of products. So click on Add Options. Click on Create Custom, okay? Go Variants, Format, okay? Go to under Option Values, you type the type of format, so paperback. And if I had another version, I would do ebook. And then I would add hardback, you know what I mean? That's how I would do it. But right now I'm just starting with a paperback, so that's it, done. Okay? And now, I'll save it for right now as a draft. Don't do active yet, draft. Now you go to the page called Book Vault. Let's start from the top. Click on Add a Title, which I did, and you'll go to the page like this. Now you have 6 different options as of right now. I do perfect bound. Okay, those are the ones that are very similar to Amazon and so forth. Gloss or matte or none. I like to choose matte now. I used to do gloss back in the days, but I did my research and it looks like a lot of people prefer matte, but again, it's a 50-50. Some people prefer gloss, matte. I'm starting to prefer, I started off with gloss, but I'm starting to lean towards matte now, moving forward. I actually asked ChatGPT what would do better, the book, gloss or matte, and give me a percentage of estimate success, and matte was a little bit more. Okay, now the size of the book, millimeters or inches, I do inches. I picked the 6x9 version, and then it says select your text stock. I click on the 70 GSM cream and click on cover board, and there's options for color pages or mono pages. Color pages cost a lot more money, especially if you don't have books with colors. There's no point of doing color pages. For me, it's a lot of just mainly text, most of my books. So mono pages, and I put in the page numbers, 201. And then I put in the title right here. 1 second, let me get the title. So I paste it. Okay. Next, it has a question. I have my own ISBN, yes or no? I recommend you get your own ISBNs for every author or publisher. But if you don't have one, if you click no, you have the option to buy from BookVault. I personally purchased it from myidentifiers.com, so I click on yes, which is the official website to get ISBNs. So I'm going to go there in 1 second. Go to the ISBN page. As you can see, I have over 2,000 ISBNs for multiple books, multiple formats. Okay, each format, ebook needs its own ISBN. Paperback needs its own ISBN for the same book. Okay, so I have my ISBN. I'm going to put the ISBN here, paste it. Now, it costs $25 per book submission using BookVault. However, if you're a member of ALLY, Alliance for Authors, they give you a special code, which I won't show you here because you have to be a member, and I highly recommend that. I don't know for how long, so it's a great deal. Instead of $25 per book submission, they give you a code every single month. So I'm going to do that right now. 1 second. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to move on. Click on Add Now. Now, click on Upload Files Now. And I'll go to a page like this. So to upload files, one on top is for the book interior file, basically the book text file, the book file basically. On the bottom is the design, the book design. And from my experience, the Amazon version, paperback version, as long as it's the same size, if it's 6x9 on Amazon, you do 6x9 on BookVault, at least it works for me. But you got to do your due diligence, double check. I highly recommend you order your own, a copy yourself. Just double check everything. If not, work with your designer and make sure it's the correct version. Okay, so I'm going to upload the design and the book file right now. 1 second. And they accept the PDF files for both. Okay, 1 second. It's uploading, so I'm going to go back to Shopify now. Okay, 1 second. Under Shopify, click on More Actions and click on Add to BookVault. But sometimes it's not clickable. So sometimes what I notice is there's technical errors with Shopify. Sometimes like this. Just refresh the page and it'll work. Watch this. I'll refresh. I just reloaded the page. Click on More Actions. Now, Add to BookVault is clickable. It's weird. I don't know. So I do that. And now, what I'm doing is now using BookVault to link the product from BookVault app to the Shopify page. Okay? Product page. Hold on. It's processing right now. Okay, there you go. Fantastic. Go down, and as you can see, it's the correct book. And then I will click on Setup Fulfillment. Click on the correct product. Checkmark BookVault US. And click Save. Because a BookVault is a UK company, but you want to make sure it also ships from the US as well. They have, from my understanding, fulfillment centers in UK and US. So if your customers are mainly from the US, make sure it's the US is checkmarked. And go back. Okay, and then what it does is that it already sets up all the shipping, pricing, all for you. Okay, now change status from draft to active and save it. Okay, and then you can actually reload the site, because then you can click on preview right now. This is it. As you can see, the product is already done. The product page is now done. Okay. It's not the actual link, but if I reload the page, right? Now I click on More Actions, View. It has the actual URL for the product page. It's live, it works. People can purchase it from right now. And the print on demand for this particular book after the customer buys it will be automatically handled by BookVault. Okay, so there you go. If you want to check out this book about New York, go check out this book at my e-commerce store. Okay, and if you want to learn how to do book publishing, direct selling, Amazon ads, how to publish it to all the platforms and so forth as an author or publisher, click the link below the video and check out my training. And one last thing, after the book files are all finished, there will be 3 green check marks like this, meaning everything has been good to go. Your title has passed validation and new file has been linked. Okay, so there you go. Get this book if you're interested in all the platforms out there as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. And if you want to learn about book publishing, click the link below the video. Learn from me. Thanks for watching. I got to go. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.